Hi everyone, I'm Benjamin from Happie. Okay, and today I'm really so excited because it's my first time here at Treasures at Tampines. So this is actually a very huge development. I think there are more than about 2,000 units over here. So these are one of the first few installations of Treasures that we are going to go to today. So come, let's go. Hi.
Hey, hello.
Hey, hi Don, nice to meet you. Yeah, Benjamin here from Happie. So I actually heard that our installation is already done. So thank you so much for letting us shoot your unit. Okay, because I think there are a lot of neighbours that have not shifted in. So maybe this is a video that we can share to all the other neighbours how the kitchen layout will be like. So okay, maybe we can go in and have a look. It's which layout, do you know?
39P.
39P.
Yeah,
Okay, so this is a 3-bedder, right?
Correct.
Okay, so that means for guys, for 3 bedders, this will be the exact 39P layout lah in the kitchen. So you can see there's actually 2 stretch lah opposite to each other. So for this one, I think this place is actually the best spot. In fact, you see after putting the coffee machine and the water dispenser, you still have ample space for actually food preparation.
Correct.
Okay, so at least will not mix up. You know, cooking will be down here, then food preparation will be down here.
Yep.
I think it's just perfect. So electrical point also settled down here. Okay, so water point is very simple. We will just connect directly to the basin. Okay, then we will actually connect through the cabinet. So for down here it's a solid surface. So one tiny little small hole will be up at the back of the dispenser. Okay, but everything will be hidden. Okay, but wait, I actually realized one more thing. I actually found this condo actually is quite special. I noticed that the washing machine is just right beside. So some of the neighbors that might not want drilling actually is also possible. Okay, that's why actually I'm quite shocked to see this because not many condos are like that. And just nice you have a window down here also. So for those neighbors, let's say if you all don't want any drilling at all, also can. Okay, we will actually take from the washing machine. Okay, so Don, before we end it, right, maybe I can ask you a question. So why did you decide to get a water purifier for your house?
It's actually my wife.
Oh, your wife. Yes.
But it's also we have been using water filter for the past few years.
I see.
So we
already used to it, right?
Looking at the market, and I think it's probably the one of the better ones.
Thank you so much. Okay, actually this is most of the case. Actually 90% usually is the wife one. Yeah, because I think don't need to boil water anymore. Okay, simple, convenient. I think good quality and most important is affordable. Okay, and best part is because they all got the group buy, right? So the group buy, I think for Treasures we have so many people already. So I think everybody gotten the best discounts. So actually it's a very worth it lah. Okay, and I think the best thing that is that among all the other home appliances that you buy, right, this will be the only thing that you will definitely use every day. Am I right to say that? Yeah. Okay. So far, are you overall happy with our service, our installations? How long did my man just now took to install for you?
I think about 30 minutes.
30 minutes, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so far all good lah.
Yeah.
So you recommend the rest of the
Oh yeah, of course.
So thank you so much Don once again for your time today and most importantly choosing Happie. Okay, thank all of you guys here for watching also. Bye bye.
Bye bye.